Dictionaries are like phone books for your data. They give you super fast lookups using keys instead of searching through items one by one. Creating one is simple. You just use the dictionary key and then you specify the key and the value types in the angle brackets. You can add items with bracket notation like this, or you can use the add method. Accessing items is as easy as just using the name and then defining the key. The important thing to remember is that you should always check if a key exists first using contains key, or better yet, try getValue method, which safely gets the value and returns true if the key is found. Dictionaries are perfect for lookups, caching, counting occurrences, or any scenario where you need instant access by identifier. They have a complexity of 0.1 for the lookup time, which means that constant time regardless of how many items are stored. This is instant retrieval whether you have 10 items or 10 million.